can never get that on. And
you can turn the front one on high if you want to.
Which one? This one?
Yep, front.
Which one?
What?
It's crystallizing. Is it?
Swirl it around, see if it's crystallizing.
Oh, it's crystallizing, but it's not giving off heat.
Shake the bowl around.
It's crystallized!
Feel the bottom of the bowl and see if it's giving off any heat.
Nope. Still a little mushy.